Today, we're going to be making superhero popsicle sticks. Hey guys, welcome to Vibrandt Kids. This one is my favoriteest craft. All you need is some paper, a pencil, some safety scissors, some popsicle sticks, some googly eyes, some markers, and don't forget the hot glue. You can do most of it, but at the end, you need some grown-ups help for the hot glue if you're not grown up. The first thing you want to do is fold a piece of paper half twice. And that. Now that your paper is folded, use a popsicle stick to draw a line. Now that your line is drawn, grab your safety scissors and cut that line. Cut it in a proper way. Make sure you follow the line. Now next, cut these two parts with your safety scissors. Put your fingers like this and then boom. Now you have to fold the part a little bit down or else it'll look like a supervillain. So fold it down a little like this. You only need one cape for a superhero, so use the extra one for the mask. Now, we're going to move our cape and mask to the side, and we're going to decorate our superhero. Turn on speed mode. It's time to ask a grown-up to help glue. I hope you have fun, but that's today's craft. So, if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe and double thumbs up.